So the next screen we're going to touch on is your backup and restore. If you go to settings, you can go here to backup and restore. So if you press on backup and restore, there's an option to backup and then an option to restore. So we'll go ahead and do a backup. And what it does is it's going to ask you for access to the device. You hit allow. And then as soon as you allow, you'll have to hit backup one more time. And then it'll say the backup was successful. So we have to give ChessNoteR application access to the storage to be able to do it. If we, for some reason, had to go back and restore, if you press on the restore button, it's going to ask you attempting to restore a file. If you restore a file that's not the proper file, it could crash the application and cause data corruption. So it's just a warning. So you can hit the OK button. On here, you're going to go ahead and just close that menu, and you're going to hit the 3-button dial. And you're going to say show internal storage, and then you're going to go back over to the main menu button, and then you're going to choose the internal storage, and these are folders that are on the ChessNoteR. So go to the ChessNoteR folder, and then in there's a backup folder, and then you'll see all the different backups that are being generated on the ChessNoteR. So as you create new backups, you can just go in and restore old backups if you need to. So you just simply press on the file, and it'll automatically restore all your data. So as I go into more showing how this works, I will be restoring some files that have more data in it, so we can see more information through the review games and such. But this is just a generic backup and restore. So we'll go ahead and stop this video and show off the next one.